Tesla has delivered about 10,000 examples of its Model 3 sedan so far, but has thus far failed to deliver on one important item that was central to why this model garnered so much hype: its $35,000 base price. First U.S. deliveries of the standard range, 220-mile, version of the Model 3, still expected to start at that price, now aren't due until late 2018, according to Tesla, while dual-motor, all-wheel drive Model 3 versions are expected to start in what the company terms mid-2018. The cars produced so far have been the single-motor version with the longer-range battery pack, a configuration that carries a bump sticker price in the low to mid-$50,000s, nearly what the original Model S was supposed to start at 6 years ago. The Model 3, however, has been championed as Tesla's mass-market car, one that could effectively cost $27,500 or less, just $25,000 to California customers who can take full advantage of the Golden State's Clean Vehicle Rebate Project, CVRP, rebate and a $7,500 federal EV tax credit. But that base version may arrive into a very narrow window in which buyers can take full advantage of those incentives. Tesla expects to reach the federal tax credits cap of 200,000 vehicle deliveries in late 2018, that would trigger a year-long period in which the amount of the credit would step down, first to $3,750 for 6 months and then to $1,875 for another 6 months, before expiring altogether. Tesla continues to grapple with a conundrum that's quite different from what other automakers face with their own fully electric cars. Hundreds of thousands of people want the Tesla Model 3, and have laid down $1,000 deposits for it, yet the factory can't produce them quickly enough. Although Tesla hasn't provided any recent update on production or deliveries, Bloomberg News Model 3 Tracker, which is informed by government sources, Tesla owners, and social media, including an analysis of van data, estimates that Tesla is now up to a production rate of 805 Model 3 sedans per week, with 10,636 produced so far. In its most recent quarterly financial call, on February 7, CEO Elon Musk pointed to issues with battery module assembly as being primarily to blame. At that time, Musk said that Tesla hoped to fix some key pinch points and reach a production rate of 2,500 cars per week by the end of March. But a week short of that date, it's still far from that near-term goal. And when it has such a backlog of customers wanting a Model 3, any Model 3, the company has little incentive to deliver on the affordability promise any sooner.